Mosquitoes. Everybody wants to kill mosquitoes. But in Singapore, they create mosquitoes and spread them in the millions to fly free in the country. The first thing on your mind is, why are they doing this and did they go crazy? Well, they did not. For the first time ever, I want to show you the full, exciting journey of how Singapore fights mosquitoes. For those that don't know, mosquitoes aren't just annoying, they are also deadly. Many female mosquitoes have dengue virus, and just like malaria, you can get dengue from a mosquito bite, and in severe cases, you could die. Between 50 and 500 million people get dengue every year, and 10 to 20,000 people die from mosquito bites. So if you want to eliminate dengue, you must kill all the dengue mosquitoes everywhere. But they are hard to find and therefore hard to kill. So how do you stop mosquitoes? Well, a team of researchers in Singapore came up with an idea.
What if we stop mosquitoes from having babies?
And that's exactly what they did. They created a new type of mosquito that is so strong that it can go out there and find all the bad mosquitoes and stop them from having babies. So apparently this is like a mosquito nursing room, and there's like hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of mosquitoes right here waiting to be released to the outside world. This is as crazy as it sounds. This new mosquito doesn't bite or hurt you at all. I'm going to check if these mosquitoes truly do not bite or hurt if you put your hand inside of them. If this good mosquito falls in love with a bad mosquito, the bad mosquito will no longer be able to have kids. No new babies, no new mosquitoes. Genius! So, Singapore created millions of these good mosquitoes and put them in a mosquito gun and blasted them. To neighborhoods, to rooftops, to gardens, everywhere. The good mosquitoes mated with the bad ones and they could no longer reproduce.
In no time, all mosquitoes, good and bad, will die naturally without having any kids.
Whoever said love kills was not wrong. Because this is literally how Singapore is fighting the dengue virus. Dengue mosquitoes dropped significantly by more than 90% and saved many residents from the virus threat. This ingenious method is such a success that they are opening a mosquito factory in Singapore just to fight dengue. This factory is so advanced it can create tens of thousands of good mosquitoes every single day. Everybody needs to see this because the world's biggest problems can be fixed. You just need a little bit of creativity and a mosquito gun. See you next week.